And welcome. Today is Wednesday, and today you will be doing three different things as you go to class. Again, I apologize, getting stitches taken out of my hand this morning. The first thing you are going to do, as you have been told, is take your acceleration quiz. This will be done through Lockdown Browser. To access your quiz, you will need to go to your Canvas module and then click on the quiz there. That will take you to Lockdown Browser. Once you get there, you will be able to enter your code. The code for today's quiz is capital A, capital Q, 202. Again, that is capital A, capital Q, acceleration quiz, 202. It shouldn't take you any longer than about 15-20 minutes to complete this quiz. After you have finished the quiz, you are going to be going through the unit study guide called Introduction to Motion Study Guide. This can be found in your Canvas module. You will need to download that and open it up. This sub will be going over this with you. He will have it projected up on the screen and go through this with you. You are expected to participate and furnish answers for the sub to acknowledge to see if you are correct or wrong. If you are incorrect, he or someone else in the class will hopefully be able to. I will have left my key with him so he knows what the correct answers are. Okay, so basically you guys are just helping each other fill in the study guide so that you can study for the test that you will be having the next class. Okay, so again, you'll just be going over that with the sub. After you have finished that, if there is some time to remain, there is a Kahoot that you will be playing. The sub will project it again up onto the screen so that you can all play through together. Okay, get as far as you can. A good chance you can possibly complete this also. I have also set up in your Canvas module a way for you to play the Kahoot at home as a source of review. I strongly suggest going over that Kahoot again. I also strongly suggest that you look over the study guide that you have done together today, and then possibly I recommend that you go back and look through your old quizzes. So that is what you're going to be doing today. Please be cooperative. Please follow all the rules that you are supposed to follow. He does have a copy of those. Have a great day.